What's up, people? I'm back again. Today I'm doing a little unboxing. Today I got my Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max and the Apple Card. All right, I hung on to this for a while. I got them both here. We're gonna open them up real quick and just check them out. Let's go. All right, so let's start with the Apple Card because it's nice and simple, all right? This thing is something that I've been looking forward to, and obviously I've had it already. I just never opened it and initialized it. And I've already used it. That's how I got my iPhone. So they make it real easy to open this bad boy. They give you a little zip pull. Oh yeah. Oh, they know how to do it. Apple always knows how to give you a good presentation. Very simple. Oh, but the anticipation is something else. You know what's inside, but the feeling still gets you going. Oh! Yep, there it is, the Apple Card. And if you look close at it, it's just a plain titanium card. First really metal card here that I got, and it's got my name etched in it, and it has the chip on the side, and then the Apple logo, and that's all you get. Let's pull it out. Oh yeah. Look at that bad boy. Love it. This is something else. They definitely know how to get you. There it is. That titanium sound. Now I got other cards, but none of them do that. Nice, the etching on it, just the look of it is beautiful. And then on the back, they got Goldman Sachs and MasterCard. All right. Now, it's not a huge deal. It's just, I'm an Apple guy, I'm a gadget guy, and this is the first time a credit card has come close to being considered a gadget. So, I'm loving it. So we're gonna move on to my iPhone 11 Pro Max. This bad boy, whew. I hesitated to order because I was debating whether to order it online or go to the store and just pick it up. However, I wanted to use my Apple Card to grab it online and order it, have it shipped to the house, and I wanted to check out how that process actually went. So here we go. All right, so nice and easy. Oh yeah. As usual, they get you drooling. They get you drooling, but there it is. Oh, that baby is pretty. Woo, love it, love it, love it. Haven't opened it yet, but ooh-wee, I can't wait. All right, so here we go. That nice plastic. They know how to package a product, they really do. Oh, oh, look at that puppy. Look at that bad boy shine. Wow, wow, wow. Yes, there it is, the stovetop. People make fun of it, but I tell you right now, it's beautiful to look at. Oh man. Woo. That design is crazy. Oh, they really did it up. I love it. Here we go. Oh man. Ooh-wee. Oh man, I feel like there's something else to pull off, but it's not. It's that smoked, it's like a smoked glass on the back. Oh man, that feels really cool. Now I happen to get the space gray 512 gigabyte iPhone 11 Pro Max. I just happen to always get the biggest and largest just because I do a lot with my phone. And with this one especially, I'm planning on doing a lot of videos. Because of all the cameras that they have in it, I'm planning on doing a lot of videos strictly with the iPhone. This, with all its capabilities, I'm gonna check it out. I got a gimbal that I haven't really used that much, so I may even throw that on here and I'm gonna put some videos up so you can check it out. The iPhone 11 Pro Max Space Gray. I love this thing. So let's initiate the card real quick, and then we'll get back into the phone. All right, so I wasn't able to do it with my the new Pro Max 11, but I have my iPhone XS Max, and all you had to do was take the phone. You have to use the packaging that came with it. You take the phone, open the wallet app, and then just put the wallet app right next to the card and the case. It takes a minute to initialize. It'll ask you if you want to activate it. You hit activate, and then your card is active. And once you have your card active, I'm sure you guys know this by now, but using this card, if you use the physical card, you get 1% cash back automatically. If you use the wallet app and use Apple Pay, then you get 2% cash back right away. And if you use the card in the Apple Store, like I did to buy the iPhone 11 Pro Max, then you get 3% back right away, cash in your cash wallet. Now, I was a little skeptical because obviously it sounds just like, wow, that's just so easy, but it is just that easy. As soon as they processed the phone and charged it, automatically I got like $46 and something in my wallet that I could use I could spend anywhere right away. And I thought that was pretty great because you not only do they give you the cash back, but you don't have to track it. You don't have to go in and say, okay, do I get cash back? Did I get it? Where's my bill? Look on the bill online, download it. No, you don't got to do all that. They do it automatically for you. It shows you right away, and you can scroll through and see all of your purchases. So every time you spend money with them, they give you money back. So, and it's not a lot. 3% is not a lot, obviously, but it makes a difference. So 1%, 2%, or 3%. You get that amount of cash back when you use the Apple Card in the various ways. So that's it. That's my Apple Card, my platinum etched Apple Card, and my brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I can't wait to use this bad boy. I'm gonna use it to make some videos. I'm actually gonna throw it on a gimbal, I think, and utilize it a lot to make a few videos. I'm actually gonna try to do a few with just this without using my GoPro, without using my DSLR, without using my Insta360 One X, which I am in love with, by the way. But I'm going to try and make some videos strictly with the iPhone 11 Pro Max and see how they come out. All these wonderful cameras, the stovetop as they call it, and I love the look of it. I mean, I know that a lot of people make fun of it, but it's unique, it's new, and I love it. So, but that's easy for me. I'm a gadget guy. I love gadgets. I love playing with new gadgets, so I get excited to get them. And I love this frosted back that they have on this thing. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you are loving your iPhone if you got one, or using your Apple Card if you got one of those. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys hit that like button. I hope you hit the subscribe. I hope that you hit the bell that tells you the next time I upload, because I upload weekly, on a weekly basis, sometimes twice a week whenever I get an opportunity to. I'm always trying to come up with something new for you to share all my gadgets, especially my electric unicycles and other gadgets. And next week, in next video, I will be opening this bad boy. I'm excited. I ain't gonna tell you what it is just yet, but hang on, you'll see it next time. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.